What if learning English wasn't just about books and rules? What if you could see the words come to life? Welcome to a new way of learning where English is easier when you visualize. Let me show you how this works. Imagine a word like roam. So what comes to mind? Before that, watch this. Roaming means walking or moving around freely. Now, what sentence can you make? Like, how about the guy is roaming around? Simple, right? If you are good in English, you might say like the man roamed around from the tree to the building and then came back. When you are seeing a word, act it out and use it in a sentence. You're not just learning English, you're mastering it. Tenses, vocabularies, and sentence structure will feel natural to you. So, if you're ready to turn English into something fun and practical, join me for this interactive session where we will not only learn but also experience English.